It's supposed to be a blizzard tonight. Woo! There you go, I got my sled secured so it won't blow away or get buried. This wood is covered in ice and is soaking wet. It's gonna be really hard to light, so I'm splitting it in the hopes that it'll burn a little bit better. Well, the fire's barely going and it's heating up quite nicely in here. Making my pants steam. That's why everyone calls me Hot Pants. Nobody calls me that. I'm gonna string up a little clothesline to start drying my gloves out. I brought a little luxury item here. Laying in that snow was getting my legs so cold. This is nice. You can really feel the temperature difference out here.